Well, today, Bill Bloss, the attorney for John Gomes, began laying the groundwork for his evidence in the hopes of ultimately convincing a judge that the Bridgeport mayoral primary numbers just don't add up.
You know, this is a problem in nowhere in the state of Connecticut other than Bridgeport.
It is an issue because, to some degree, people are hypersensitive.
The attorneys representing John Gomes and in opposition, the city of Bridgeport took their arguments before Judge William Clark, presenting evidence and calling witnesses.
We don't sit there and go through 5,000 applications, and we're not detectives.
Including Bridgeport Assistant Clerk Christina Resto, who testified what their office does and doesn't do with absentee ballots.
But if the voter checked off a reason, you don't do anything to follow to investigate that.
Oh, no, not at all.
And if the voter, if there's a signature on an application, do you do anything to try to confirm if that's the voter's signature?
No, if there's a signature, then the process.
We learned today that not only is there no signature verification, but the city also doesn't check if people are U.S. citizens or have a way of differentiating between the number of absentee ballots sent back through the mail versus put into one of the city's 4 drop boxes.
The number of people, the number of absentee ballots that came in without stamps and without postmarks substantially exceeds the number that we see on the videos actually dropping absentee ballots in the drop boxes.
You can suggest a lot of things, but the law is the law. And Bill can't just make open-ended allegations and think those take the place of evidence.
One thing we didn't see today, video evidence. But the Gomes team claims it's coming and allegedly will show Wanda Jeter in more videos than just the one previously released by the campaign.
Ballot harvesting. That suggests ballot harvesting. That means that there are people that are putting in ballots that don't belong to them, which is illegal.
Smoke does not equal fire unless you can prove it.
And we also learned today that the Gomes campaign does plan to call Mayor Joe Ganim to the stand. We asked Attorney Bloss why, and he would only say he has his reasons. Attorney Kennelly seems to think that that is just courtroom theatrics meant to grab the headlines. We could see Ganim take the stand either tomorrow or Monday. We're live outside Bridgeport Superior Court. Matt Caron, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.